Hey everyone, welcome back to Guru 99. Downloading YouTube videos can be a total game changer. Whether you want to save tutorials, watch your favorite vlogs offline, or keep backups of your own content. In this video, I'll show you how to download any YouTube video in just a few minutes, safely, legally, and without spammy sites. We'll cover two methods. First, downloading your own videos from YouTube Studio. Second, downloading other channels' videos for offline viewing. Let's get started. Method 1. Download your own YouTube videos, legal and easy. This first method is completely legal and gives you the best quality of your uploads, straight from YouTube. Here's how. Log into your YouTube account and go to YouTube Studio, either from your profile icon or directly at studio.youtube.com. In the left sidebar, click on Content. This shows all your uploaded videos. Find the video you want to download and click the three dots next to the title. Select Download from the menu. That's it. Your video will start downloading in original quality, safely and securely, no third-party tools needed. It's quick, user-friendly, and trusted by YouTube itself. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Guru 99 and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our future tutorials. Method 2. Download videos from other channels using official options. Now let's say you want to save videos from another channel, maybe a tech tutorial, a recipe, or a lecture, to watch later without internet access. Good news! YouTube has an official, trusted way to do this too. Here's how. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your smartphone, or use the website on PC. Step 2. Find the video you want to save. Tap the download button below the video player. Choose your video quality, standard or low, free download, full HD, or high quality, available with YouTube Premium, plus ad-free and background play. Once done, head to your download section, and there it is. You can now watch your saved video anytime, anywhere, even offline. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've learned two easy, accurate, and reliable methods to download YouTube videos, one for your own uploads and another for watching other creators' videos offline. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Guru 99.